Yo, what's good? Hey man, Bitcoin is doing this thing right now. It's dipping low. So we know we buy that dip. All right. Look, I'm putting y'all game early because if this thing get to going up how it's supposed to, you're gonna be paid up. All right. I'm not your financial advisor, but come on now, y'all already know what time it is. Listen, I dropped this video yesterday. All right. So look, Bitcoin is extremely low right now, $57,000, man. So you know I gotta hop in on two of those big boys, and we're gonna ride that thing up, man, and see what it do. All right, so I dropped that. You know, I recorded that because I'm like, look, I gotta get in this trade. Let's see what it do. All right, so anytime Bitcoin gets low, I done told y'all in previous videos, when it get low, man, that's the time to get in. All right, so I did get in. All right. Got up this morning, got on a live call with the family. You did. And at first I was just gonna hold, don't fold, but I folded. Somebody was like, you know what, it could keep dipping. I'm like, you're right, I'm gonna take these profits. So let me show you these profits right here. For now, I don't know how long I'm gonna stay up. I'm up 2,600 on my big account. My small account is up like 200. You're gonna have to go and take this. I ain't gonna get my video out. I ain't trying to miss out on no profits either. I'm gonna take my money. Sir, get my payment on time. All right, bet. Took my profit. So as you can see, your boy was up a solid 3K. Now I am still holding right now on my small account. So y'all gonna come take a look at that with your boy right now. So right now on the small account, we up 280. $5 account, we already up 280. We getting up to a point where we about to double this account. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hold on this one long term because it's small. You feel me? And we're gonna try to grow that mug to a lot. So hopefully, you know, Bitcoin stays up, but it has been taking its dips, you know, here and there. But the lower it goes, the more I'm gonna buy. You feel me? Even if I gotta add a little more extra paper to here, I'm gonna keep on buying in until we get back up there to 64, 67, somewhere up in there. And then I think I may take profit on this one. You feel me? So, hey, I've been telling y'all, look, Bitcoin been around for about 13 years, right? It ain't going nowhere, y'all. So yeah, it's gonna take its dips in the market, but it's crypto, baby. Crypto here to stay. You feel me? So the best place to do it is on the Forex side of things. That's why I tell people to hop in on Sway. If you don't got you a Sway account, get you a Sway account, man. Get in there, deposit you some money, and hop in on these penny lots, 2 cent, 3 cent lots, 5 lots, whatever, 5 cent lots, and hold them up for the long haul. You feel me? Don't make the same mistakes I did. Like back in the day, let me tell you what happened. So Bitcoin like 2 years ago was like 13, 14,000, right? And I just knew it was gonna go back up, but I was like, I don't know, because it kept dipping. So I was like, let me not. So I was just scalping it, right? Just in and out, kind of how I'm doing now, in and out, in and out, in and out. Making some good money. Lo and behold, you see where the price at now. So if I would have just held that whole time, I'd have been up about $1 million. You should $1 million. But yeah, so why it's low here? Like we low. Right now it's at 59,000. It's been coming between like 59 and going back to 57, 56, then go back up. It's just kind of hovering in this area, but why it's low? Like best time to hop in, you feel me? All that thing gotta do, I tell people all the time, all they gotta do, get to 64,000, right? Y'all ain't the only people. Like I'm telling, I already told people before in the group, right before I got in, told them in my group to hop in, you know what I'm saying, look at it. Just don't go crazy on your lot size because anything can happen and you don't want to be cooked. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I try to tell people, don't go too heavy unless you're just confident you got that bag, you can do that. But if you don't, you need to be cautious, you know what I'm saying? Because crypto is very wild. Like from one day, I think when it was at like 68, then I'm gonna drop all the way down to like 59. Like course of a day and a half, 2 days, something like that. So it can get very volatile. So who's to say that it won't go from 59 all the way down to 30? You know what I'm saying? You never know, but I don't think it will, but you never know. So be cautious, but it's definitely here to stay, and it's definitely a long-term play for sure. And you can make a lot of money on it if you just hold and don't fold. You know what I'm saying? Hold, don't fold. As long as you go in there like $200-300, throw a penny lot on there and let that mug sit for eternity. You know what I'm saying? That penny lot gonna turn to racks. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, it's possible. You know what I'm saying? I've been making good money off of it. Made 5,000 on it the other week. Just made another 3,000 here. You know, another 1,000 couple weeks ago before that. I mean, I just keep getting in and getting out, eating that money up, getting it up. You know what I'm saying? And then storing it away. That's just how you do it. You know what I'm saying? That's the best thing to do when it comes to investing. Now, again, you can have multiple accounts on Sway. So if you are on Sway, you can have multiple accounts. So you can have a swing trading account, you can have a scalping account. You know what I'm saying? You could do, you know, one account and say, okay, well, this the account I'm gonna hold for long term, and then I got another account where I take my profits here and there. You know what I'm saying? So I go a little riskier on my bigger account, like, you know, dollar lot sizes, and then I let it go up just a little bit, take, you know, a couple thousand off the table, and then I'm out of there. Yeah. So, you know, I just wanted to put y'all on game and let y'all know, man, there's money to be made. It ain't too late, because we still at 59. What you don't want to do is wake up and that mug be back to 67, 65, be like, dang, bro did say something at 59, you know what I'm saying? Or, I mean, you know what I'm saying, it could dip lower, which is great. Anytime it dip lower than where it's at now, that's even better, because I'm getting in on bigger lots. Every time it dip real low, my lots is getting bigger and bigger. When it's already up, I don't really go too crazy on the lot. But when it's down, yeah, you're going to get these dollars. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to take that risk. You feel me? Now, how do I feel about stop losses? You can. I just know crypto is very volatile. So 9 times out of 10, I set a stop loss earlier today on my smaller account when I was trying to get in on my 0.20 cent lot. And it already hit it quick. So I ended up getting it again. And now we back up again. So it moved like that, like kind of stop. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people say, you know, Bitcoin is a retirement plan, which it could be. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if everything goes how it's supposed to, like I said, you got the Bitcoin ETFs and all that stuff that came out. I think Bitcoin over the next year or two is gonna do some great numbers. So we shall see. But again, God is good, even if you ain't. Even if you ain't, he's still good. And, you know, he's gonna bless those who be a blessing to others. So use your money to be a blessing to other people around you. Man, come on, man. It's the gift to keep on giving. Holla at your boy, man. I'm gonna see y'all in another video. Let's go.